In chemistry, an oxidizing agent is a substance that has the ability to oxidize other substances. Common oxidizing agents are oxygen, hydrogen peroxide and fluorine. In one sense, an oxidizing agent is a chemical species that removes an electron from another species. It is one component in an oxidation-reduction reaction. In the second sense, an oxidizing agent is a chemical species that transfers electronegative atoms, usually oxygen, to a substrate. Combustion. Many explosives and organic redox reactions involve atom transfer reactions. Electron acceptors. Electron acceptors participate in electron transfer reactions. In this context, the oxidizing agent is called an electron acceptor and the reducing agent is called an electron donor. A classic oxidizing agent is the ferrocenium ion Fe5H5+2, which accepts an electron to form Fe2. Extensive tabulations of ranking the electron-accepting properties of various reagents are available. See standard electrode potential. Mechanism of great interest to chemists are the details of the electron transfer event, which can be described as inner sphere or outer sphere. Atom transfer reagents. In more common usage, an oxidizing agent transfers oxygen atoms to a substrate. In this context, the oxidizing agent can be called an oxygenation reagent or oxygen atom transfer agent. Examples include manganese 2 oxide -4, Cro2 -4, OSO4, and especially chlorine monoxide -4. Notice that these species are all oxides agent. In some cases, these oxides can also serve as electron acceptors, as illustrated by the conversion of manganese 2 oxide -4 to manganese 2 peroxide -4 manganate. Common oxidizing agents: oxygen, ozone, hydrogen peroxide and other inorganic peroxides, Fenton's reagent, fluorine, chlorine, and other halogens, nitric acid and nitrate compounds, sulfuric acid, peroxydisulfuric acid, peroxymonosulfuric acid, chloride, perchloride, and other analogous halogen compounds. Hypochlorite and other hypohalide compounds, including household bleach, hexavalent chromium compounds such as chromic and dichromic acids and chromium trioxide, pyridinium chlorochromate, and chromate dichromate compounds. Permanganate compounds such as potassium permanganate, sodium perborate, nitrous oxide, potassium nitrate. The oxidizer in black powder. Sodium bismuthate. Dangerous materials definition. The dangerous materials definition of an oxidizing agent is a substance that can cause or contribute to the combustion of other material. By this definition, some materials that are classified as oxidizing agents by analytical chemists are not classified as oxidizing agents in a dangerous materials sense. An example is potassium dichromate, which does not pass the dangerous goods test of an oxidizing agent. The U.S. Department of Transportation defines oxidizing agents specifically. There are two definitions for oxidizing agents governed under DOT regulations. These two are Class 5, Division 5.1 and Class 5, Division 5.2. Division 5.1 means a material that may, generally by yielding oxygen, cause or enhance the combustion of other materials. Division 5.1 of the DOT code applies to solid oxidizers if, when tested in accordance with the UN Manual of Tests and Criteria, its mean burning time is less than or equal to the burning time of a 3 to 7 potassium bromate cellulose mixture. 5.1 1.1 of the dot code applies to liquid oxidizers if, when tested in accordance with the UN Manual of Tests and Criteria, it spontaneously ignites or its mean time for a pressure rise from 690 kPa to 2070 kPa gauge is less than the time of a 1:1 nitric acid cellulose mixture. Common oxidizing agents and the products.